so good, so good. You're the teacher, you're the guide, with your power deep inside. So good, so good, so good. Holy Spirit, you are so good.
He will teach you all things.
Teach you all things.
He will reach you always.
Reach you always.
As he promised, as he said, by his Spirit we are led.